We're about to feed my snake this mouse. Here we go. Here. Zach, hold the camera. Right here. Ding dong.
Ding dong, the witch is here, the wicked witch is here.
Where should I put it? Just like over here?
Where's the snake?
Right there in the middle?
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt itself.
Pick it up.
I can't!
Give it to me.
Oh,
Come here,
you gotta grab it by its tail. Grandma, grab it by its tail. It's gonna get out.
Come
I told
here.
you can't do that.
Why?
You put it right on my snake, Grandma. Oh, shoot.
I did?
Yep.
Oh. I woke up the snake?
Yeah, you set it right on its head.
What else?
Oh, that kind of made the snake kind of... Oh, I think he knows that the snake's there now.
Put it on. Now put this up there. Okay.
Oh, look at it shivering. Get it out.
It's not sure.
Guys, he doesn't like movement and we're talking. Where's it going?
I didn't know what the snake was.
I told you it was right there in the middle.
Well, I didn't see him.
Well, I told you.
The light was blinding me. And you
That
told
poor
me to
mouse
hurry
can't
up and
even
get him
see.
in there.
Look at that poor mouse. He's about to be eaten by the snake. Dun dun dun.
He's smelling too.